Hey guys, in this video, I'll be giving you a quick review on EveryDollar, which will lead you to make the decision on either it is worth it or not. So let's begin. EveryDollar from Ramsey Solutions is an online $0 budgeting tool that follows a similar vein to YNAB. Available in free and paid tiers, the service stands out for its use of friendly, everyday language for guiding you through the process of setting up a budget. The free version of EveryDollar sacrifices functionality and limits you to manual data input, which makes it less useful for tracking your cash flow. Stepping up to the premium paid version fixes that and positions your budget as one pillar of a larger financial education. That's because the upgraded paid version is one part of the Ramsey Plus membership service that includes Ramsey's Financial Peace University, EveryDollar, Baby Steps program, Smart Tax, group coaching, and more. The paid version of EveryDollar has a lot to like, but among the best budgeting apps, it's only worth it if you plan to maximize your use of the full Ramsey membership. EveryDollar's free version is useful for setting up a basic budget with manual inputs. It's more useful for getting a picture of your money flow than, say, Personal Capital, which is also free and has a budgeting feature. However, every few steps of the way in the interface, we were hit by an ad to upgrade since the feature we were trying needed the full paid version of EveryDollar. The paid version of EveryDollar means upgrading to the Ramsey Plus membership. Not only do you get a more functional budgeting solution, but you also unlock access to a slew of other financial education services and features from Dave Ramsey's library of digital offerings. The free tier of EveryDollar is minimalism at its best or worst. You can set a customized budget, create virtual savings funds that you're allocating funds to from that budget, and track your debt payments. This is more than you get with some competing packages like Personal Capital, but it lacks the automation and real-time element found in the services from YNAB, Simplify, and Mint. The premium version of EveryDollar adds syncing with bank accounts, generating custom budget reports, the ability to download transactions as a spreadsheet, and get tracking recommendations and reminders. The premium EveryDollar is just one part of the bigger whole that is Ramsey Plus. You also get access to Financial Peace University, which includes 9 lessons, 4 dedicated to outlining Ramsey's 7 baby steps, and 5 more with insights into spending, building wealth, real estate, insurance, and giving. Each lesson runs about an hour, some more, some less, and includes activities and worksheets intended to help you better understand financial concepts. You can also join a virtual 9-week class led by a coach that walks through the content in the videos. EveryDollar free users can reach the chat widget and bot via the EveryDollar Help Center, which includes articles covering frequent questions and how to get started. EveryDollar Premium or Ramsey Plus users have access to a live chat agent. At the bottom of the page sits a question mark for accessing the virtual bot. Ask the bot a question to get served up related links, or leave a message or request a live chat. Functionally, EveryDollar has a strong visual aesthetic and logical workflow for achieving $0 budgets. The free version is limited in its abilities, since you have to manually enter all information. But that also makes it attractive if you want to get a more rough idea of where you stand with your cash flow, but don't intend to maintain the budget daily. The premium EveryDollar, which is part of the larger Ramsey Plus service, lets you link bank and credit cards. You'll still have to do some manual upkeep of the data, but the automation brought by the premium version helps make a smoother experience. And with Ramsey Plus, you gain access to group coaching and education on financial principles as presented from Dave Ramsey's perspective. We found EveryDollar easier to use with a clearer flow than YNAB, but we recommend UNAB for zero-based budgets since it costs $31 less when billed annually and has broader customization. EveryDollar could be a good starting point for those who want some additional financial literacy tools. Ramsey's personality can be an acquired taste, and his advice is often one-size-fits-all, but you can still find a lot of value in the Ramsey Plus option. In conclusion, EveryDollar is not just a budgeting tool, it's a financial companion on your journey to financial freedom. Its intuitive design, commitment to zero-based budgeting, and helpful features make it a strong contender in the world of budgeting apps. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.